Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create soft glow portrait with the help of smart filters in Photoshop. First of all, import your portrait photo in Photoshop, then convert the smart object for safe hidden. Duplicate the layer and apply Gaussian blur. Change blend mode to the soft light. Now apply blur as smart filter and also mask blur from eyes and lips. Reduce opacity for gentle glow and add color dodge filter for highlights. Adjust brightness through blending options and re-edit blur to match skin tone. Now use mask feather for smooth transitions. Apply noise reduction at the end. Toggle glow filter on off to review. Finalize with